Hey, this is a tutorial on how to port forward the Arris router, or a Arris router. Arris routers, especially the new ones, are pretty complicated to port forward. So here's a little tutorial to help you out. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down here, go into your search is what I should say, and go ahead and look up your CMD. You can do this on Windows 8 and Windows 7. Just go into your search, CMD, enter, and it should come up with your command prompt. Don't be alarmed if you're first time using command prompt. Just follow these steps. So you're just going to type in IP config, and you're going to keep your command prompt open throughout this video. So just keep it. So first of all, you're just going to see a bunch of numbers and stuff. But anyway, you're going to want to find your default internet. So usually towards the top. I mean, I have Hamachi, and that's what this is. But mine is right here, Ethernet 4, and it should follow the same values, or not the same values, but it should look pretty similar to these values. And anyway, what we're going to look for is this default gateway right here. We're going to go ahead to a web browser and we're going to type that in. So our default gateway for me is 192.168.0.1. So we're just going to type that in, and we're going to go ahead and be confronted with this screen. Now, I was already in there just a few seconds ago, so already automatically logged me in, but then I logged out. So anyway, you're going to be confronted with this screen, and you're going to have your default username and password. Now, all routers have different ones, but this is a tutorial for the Arris one, and so your default password is most likely going to be password. And then you'll be confronted with this screen, which you might have seen before if you have changed your password on your router. So we're going to go ahead and go up to firewall now. And quick note, all these should be checked. If you're having trouble and one of them is not checked, check if that's the cause. And yeah, especially block fragmented IP packets. It's a big one. So we're going to go down to virtual servers, and I already have one. I'm just going to delete it for the sake of this video and add one. We're just going to call it Minecraft. The description doesn't matter, just the name. Inbound port 25565 for Minecraft. Whatever program you're using, you can put in the port in there. 25565. Alright, we're just going to put the same ports in here, or if you have different valued ports that are different numbers, you could put it like 25565 to 25566, but Minecraft doesn't do that, so we're just 25565 to 25565. I'm going to go both on TDCP UDP, depending on what program you're using, and if you don't know, just do both. Just be safe. Private IP address. This is where our command prompt comes in. We're going to find our default gateway again, and we're going to go 2 up, not subnet mask, but IPv4 address. And mine is 192.168.0.7. Here might be something else. 2. We're just going to enter that in there, 192.168.0.7, and then we're going to do 25565, so it's just going to be a repeat of the top ones. I'm going to go ahead and add that. Then we're going to go to port triggers, just one down, and we're going to add one. I'm just going to call it Minecraft. You can name it anything. And we're just going to repeat again, 25565. to 25565, both, 25565 to 25565. And we're going to go ahead and have that. Then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to open up another tab. Port checker. A lot of people like canyouseeme.org. I personally don't. So we're going to go ahead and go to the second link right here. And here we go. We're going to enter in 25565. And it is going to say that it's not open. And I'll tell you why here in a second. Alright, so port 25565 is closed because there's no use for it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I have my Minecraft server right here. Start it up. And there we go. And now we're going to check it. And it's open. And that's it. You can use that for anything. And yeah. Thanks.